If you're planning your Australian visa for 2026, the rules have just changed, from massive fee hikes to new income thresholds, and even how your English test is scored. Here's everything you need to know in under 3 minutes. I'm from Australian Migration Lawyers, and this is your March Migration Update. The new salary thresholds. First up, if you're applying for a 482 or a 186 visa, the income threshold is going up. Every year, the government adjusts the minimum salary requirements based on Aussie earnings. Starting the 1st of July 2026, the core skills income threshold is jumping from roughly $76,500 to $79,499. If you're a high earner looking at the specialist skilled pathway, that threshold is rising to over $146,000. The takeaway? If your current earnings are close to the original threshold, you should consider discussing this with your employer now, or contact us today for advice. Huge fee increases for graduate visas. This next one is a bit of a shocker. As of the 1st of March, the application fee for the 485 graduate visa has doubled for most people. We are talking about a 100% increase. For standard applicants, the primary fee has jumped from $2,300 to $4,600. However, there is an exception. If you hold a passport from a certain Pacific nation, including Fiji, Papua New Guinea, Tonga, or Samoa, your fees remain at the old, lower rate. But for everyone else, you'll just need to budget a lot more for that post-stay study. The ART is changing how it decides your case. There's also a big shift in how visa appeals work. The Administrative Review Tribunal, or ART, now has more power to decide cases on the papers. What does that mean? It means that for certain visas, specifically student visas, the tribunal can now make a final decision without ever holding a hearing or meeting you in person. They will look at your documents and make a decision. This means that your initial written submission is more critical than ever. If it's not decision ready, you might not get a second chance to explain yourself in court. The TOEFL Trap. Don't book the wrong test. Finally, if you're booking a test of English as a foreign language assessment for your visa, be extremely careful. Global TOEFL has switched to a new 1 to 6 scoring system, but the Australian Department of Home Affairs does not accept it. Australia still requires the traditional 0 to 120 scale. When you book your test, you must specifically select the option labelled TOEFL IBT for Australia. If you sit the standard global version, your results will be useless for your visa application. Don't waste your money or time and check the label before you pay. Things are moving fast in 2026. If you're confused about how these changes affect your specific situation, reach out to us at Australian Migration Lawyers. We're here to help you navigate the system with certainty. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next Migration Minute.